Hey, move your truck behind the barn.
Goddamn, I got 200 on my
Make sure that front gate's locked. We can't have nobody fucking driving back here. It's goddamn jail time, dude. Come on, get your shit together.
I was 100 miles an hour on an open road with a 5-speed and a floor. I was a clear mason jar sitting half full, hidden in my pawpaw's big red barn. I was a no-shirt, no-money riverside junkie running on a 8th tank of gas. And if that ain't redneck enough for you, brother, then you can kiss my redneck ass. 'Cause I was made in the shade on a Gamecock farm. Yeah, I was brought up round that waist-high grass. I got some nails through my feet along this old bumpy road, but I'm still trucking on hella fast. There ain't no man big enough, not enough county cops to stop me when I'm buck wild gone. Hell, what can I say? And who are you to blame for me living out an outlaw song?
Lighting on the road like liquid gold. I'm in a crew cab, hunking on cruise control. Free bird on blast, speakers on blown. Every mailbox I pass, I'm swinging on. Yeah, DeMarini in a bomb bat. Break one, got another one to fall back on. It's Jones and I'm real pissed. Been a bad boy, ain't getting shit for Christmas. Ball in the yard with the boys knuckle up. Taco no pants and we all bloodied up. Heavily outweighed, but let me tell you what, that size don't matter when you kick them in the nuts. Y'all messed up, I got a license to drive and it's 100 mile an hour on a 75. I'm cutting Georgia down the middle like a hot butter knife. Can't blame it on my mama, God knows she's right.
I was made in the shade on a Gamecock farm. Yeah, I was brought up round that waist-high grass. I got some nails through my feet along this old bumpy road, but I'm still trucking on hella fast. There ain't no man big enough, not enough county cops to stop me when I'm buck wild gone. Hell, what can I say? And who are you to blame for me living out an outlaw song? Hard rock and rap shit, shotgun shells, quick I get up on my ad-libs. White trash with Hot Wheels. Gotta go for junkies who constantly wanna pop pills. My bills are too high for you, stealing and willing and dealing my shit in the middle of the night. A bar fight, yeah, that's not what it is. You ain't getting any change with a streaming 10. I don't call the police, I keep it OG. Everybody on the other side of AC know the old me. So still, yo, bitch, sit the rest of my big sheet. Shoot a bird, take a daddy, drug your ass to the concrete. If I had a shotgun shot for every fly fucking game, I'd be standing in a swamp missing ducks all day. True blue roughneck, little buddy come play. Get fed to the hogs after you get laid. I was made in the shade on a Gamecock farm. Yeah, I was brought up round that waist-high grass.
There's a flat tire.
Culture boy shit, yeah, motherfucker. Culture boy shit, yeah, motherfucker. Culture boy shit, yeah, motherfucker. Culture boy shit, yeah, motherfucker.
Rear wheel drive class.
Yeah. Church. Bitch, I came up with this shit. Shotgun laying right by the screen door. Alarm buzzing on my house dimmer. Old lady knows she gotta hit the floor. Ain't taking shit from you fuck boy. I got tendencies to make you get lost. Bottom of the river, no bubbles down. Concrete feet like a sidewalk. Don't make no wrong turns. That GPS might not pick up. You might run up on some crackers that look like people's skulls. Is that culture boy shit? Yeah, motherfucker. Culture boy shit. Yeah, motherfucker. I ain't jammed up and I need a ride. I'm calling Samson any day and night. He's rolling up in an El Camino with an engine built for a drag night. Running 740s in an 8th mile with a pistol loaded, no driver's license. In the game reserve, come find me. City cop cars, only 2-wheel drive. With a crate of shine sitting in the trunk. We can heat it up with a big lighter. Being crazy ain't what I created, it's actually how I fucking live, player. A lot of culture rappers really can't hang, cause they ain't living what they talking about. Oh, you redneck cat from the south, quit trying to convince me what you about. Just tell it to the mic, show me on the road. You got bullshit running by the fucking load. I don't believe a song you ever fucking sold. Used to be a gangster, now you never was. Claiming you got shooters, keep it on the hush. You ain't got no shooters, you can't shoot a gun. You ain't fucking hard, why you lying, son? Everybody in it know where I'm from. Make no wrong turns, that GPS might not pick up. You might run up on some crackers that look cracking people's skulls. It's that culture boy shit, yeah, motherfucker. Culture boy shit, yeah, motherfucker.
Well, I've been here on that country shit, that crack shit, that redneck shit. A lot of these boys done changed way, but I'm still in the woods just killing shit. Still rap about some hunting, mudding, fishing, drinking, country living. I see a bunch of fuck boys in camo hats that's never living. I see you got them jeans tucked with your skull ring and that picture snuff. Where I'm from, keeping it cut, that fake shit and get you fucked up. Take a wrong turn and run that mouth and it won't be hard to find me. Bring your son, I do shoot guns and I blend in with them pine trees. Controlling down these back roads, I keep these gun racks shaking. Deer tracks in the dirt where the rednecks lurking, the buckshot keeps on spraying. Don't run up on these country boys, that's really on some country shit. Leave your ass in the ditch, take your boots and take your bitch.
Make no wrong turns, that GPS might not pick up. You might run up on some crackers that love cracking people's skulls. Is that culture boy shit? Yeah, motherfucker. Culture boy shit. Yeah, motherfucker. Make no wrong turns, that GPS might not pick up. You might run up on some crackers that love cracking people's skulls. Is that culture boy shit? Yeah, motherfucker. Culture boy shit. Yeah, motherfucker. Culture boy shit. Yeah, motherfucker. Culture boy shit. Yeah, motherfucker. Yeah, hip-hop rocking to a ticking exhausting, baptizing creek water, copper heads at my feet. Slithering, hissing, but they ain't gonna bite me none. Rattlesnake venom dripping off the bullets in my gun. Smile kinda cooking from the tobacco up in my gums. Porch lights flickering cause the ghost filling my buzz. Hill clicking in the country, a place you'll never find. With the mean rock, while the blackberries on the vine. All I smell is muddy water, honeysuckles and deer meat. Cheatham County in my veins, dirty water has made me that double flag junkie, Mr. General Ely. With the voice of the mud, strong Harvey the D. When the fall hits the road, and you hear the night all grow, and the trees release the blues to the ones who lost their soul. Son, I'm priceless, bone stock, old Camaro when I'm in it to be a legend. Give a fuck about the narrow. My shit played when I'm 6 feet in the ground. 100 years in the dirt, still bumping my sound. While you dancing around the fire, while you sipping the shine, a tailgating with your buddies, puff, passing the pine. Or simply chilling, watching the slow, changing the times. Think about me every time you start that fire.
Fall meets the road, and you hear the night all roll, and the trees release the blues to the ones who lost their soul. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Rapping in heavy metal, Junior and Pantera, Allison transmission with a change in the back lane, slightly spitting and dipping while writing and rapping in Confederate state until I'm down in the hole. I'm the rooster man, yeah, here I come, and I'm rapping for Dixie. Ain't none of you motherfuckers ever gonna evict me.
When fall meets the road, and you hear the night all blow, and the trees release the blues to the ones who lost their souls. Whoa, 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 whoa,
There's a flat tire.
I'm American dreaming until the work starts on Monday. American drinking cases and gours on a Sunday. Yeah, I take shit from the left until I got a swing right. You can tell where I stand just by the way that I write. Yeah, I'm the son of the South, but I'm a man of the whole land. If you spit on my freedom, you can't get clocked with these old hands. Hair with a mind, making time for still running 30% dragon flag in the back, start to read away. But the colors are big, but I won't live afraid. Because my guns stay loaded near me, it stays full. Got four-wheel drive for when the sound gets cold. I ain't even gotta say it, you should already know. I'm shit on guitars. Open road, a Winnebago, a pack of Marlboro Reds and a Zippo, let's go. Just hope that my dreams ain't running on fumes, but if they are, I'll let it run till the smoke blows through. I'm on the same old road in an old school caddy. I'm coming to bed and they call me daddy. Hoping that my dreams ain't running on fumes. If they are, well then fuck it, let me roll up fumes. This that southern rock shit, baby, this that southern punk. And my middle finger's up like that motherfucker stuck. I bet it'll shut them up. I'm strapped like I'm buckled up. The ones that are acting tough be as sweet as a buttercup. You fucking Dixie chick, listen to metrosexual bitch. You the kind of go to jail on some sexual shit. I'm the kind of get a man bisexual bitch. So get the fuck around me acting all extra shit. From the city to the country, even Cheatham County knows. Got pulled over there in 07 flat with a few bones. Looked around, took the charge. Man, God rest his soul. So I still rep Antioch every city that I go, motherfucker. Road, a Winnebago, a pack of Marlboro Reds and a Zippo, let's go. Just hope that my dreams ain't running on fumes, but if they are, I'll let it run till the smoke blows through. I'm on the same old road in an old school kid. A couple of bands and they call me daddy. Hoping that my dreams ain't running on fumes. If they are, well then fuck it, let me roll up fumes. my damn alarm. Still out here in the woods with the rednecks, popping fucking wheelies, no helmet on the road. Bitch, guns in my closet make my room look like a Bass Pro. Still got a rebel flag above my bed. That's my roots for show. That's my roots for show. That's my roots for show.
Check.
Bottom deck.
What up, son? Getting it.
Yeah.
We pull up, we turn heads.
Got the parking lot popping with the Motul Jam.
Show up, we show off.
We got the cops called for us, revving up the exhaust.
It's all good around here.
Just don't let the county sheriff see the cooler of beer. And when the blue lights fade and the Barney fights side to side, we gon' turn up the night. Take me up the parking lot, jump, you pull up in something stunning. We'll pop my Mickey T's rubbing. Mossberg in the back if you wanna get it slow. And when I'm sipping the champagne, I tend to get distracted. Hell, I reckon y'all coming like a wrecking ball about to nobody but Conor McGregor. Your ass a broken jaw. Looking at me like, who the fuck is this guy? Well, I'm up church pitching your chick and my foot drying out. Change for nobody, not money, not fame, no trucks, no clothes, no TV, no way.
Pull up, we turn heads.
Got the parking lot popping with the Motul Jam.
Show up, we show off.
We got the cops called for us, revving up the exhaust.
It's all good around here.
Just don't let the county sheriff see the cooler of beer. And when the blue lights fade and the Barney fights side to side, we gon' turn up the night.
Yes, so brother, we gon' turn up the night. Got a whole case of beer and a gallon of shine. Everybody looking when we pull on the scene. And God, every average Joe wanna jump on the team. We keep the parking lot popping and the mud holes hot. And you know the beat knocks when the new shit drops. Just sipping out my cup in the bed of my truck.
used the brakes on the truck in a long time.
There's a bounty on my head. They want the whitest boy dead, but they all know that I got the lead. I only have one nerve left. My face is all distressed. I've been drinking whiskey and smoking hella dope. I'm a hillbilly psycho, a hillbilly psycho. Let blood spill in the leaves from whitetails hanging in trees. Let Peter act like some bitches when it comes to nature and me. Just let the critics tear me up, let assumptions play the part. See if I don't say fuck everybody and disappear in the dark. Yeah, fuck the fame, fuck businessmen, fuck other artists trying to get it in. Fuck kissing ass to get a chance on Billboard cause another man. I'm a man with two hands and I bet I'm meaner than you. I fucking fought for this position, so I stand with the crew. I'm 50 shades of gray, your ass and squeeze your throat till it's blue. I might bite off your fucking ear and shit your opinion out, dude. Dog, I'm the country's main man when it comes to grabbing the mic. I could be covered in grease and steal your bitch for the night. Yeah. There's a bounty on my head. They want the whitest boy dead, but they all know that I got the lead. Got the lead. I only have one nerve left. My face is all distressed. I've been drinking whiskey and smoking hella dope. I'm a hillbilly psycho, a hillbilly psycho. Everybody been beefing, but I've been processing rappers, crushing their bones to their careers, collecting dust in a package. And I don't want no beef, I got deer jerky for days. I don't have to trash people to get some shine on my name. I'm Johnny Cash and slapping smoking in that range again. Dodging coppers, plead the fifth. No, you cannot search my shit unless you get a warrant. Don't wake up, Judge Maxie, trust me, Stan. Put Cheatham on the map like nobody has done before. You just get fogged up with a screw and a 2x4. Judge, can't fly in my Range Rover. You can't smoke on my chain clover. You can't come to my crib, Joker. People keep it gangsta, I just keep it country. Oh Lord. Red, white, blue, nigga, skin, color, creep. Red, white, blue, nigga, skin, color, creep. Red, white, blue.
This guy knows it. I forgot your name.